An effective cancer treatment with very few side effects. Sounds like a dream, right? But our next guest says that's a reality for so many patients, and this treatment is right here in the Valley. Please welcome Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife Center with how they can help. And I love that we're talking about this because Cyberknife is such a revolutionary treatment for folks who are battling cancer. What is it exactly?
Well, and especially after Cyber Monday, so
Yes.
Cyberknife, okay?
Right.
So Cyberknife is a form of radiation therapy. It's part of what's called stereotactic radiosurgery, which is the latest state-of-the-art type of radiation therapy. Very pinpoint, very precise. That way it excludes dose going to surrounding normal tissue, less side effects, and you can deliver higher dose to the target or the tumor. So many times it increases the cure rate.
We're looking inside Phoenix Cyberknife. I mean, we're talking radiation oncologists who are literally cutting edge. You guys are using advanced technology. Describe the treatment because you said it's so precise. How is it so precise?
So it's so precise, it basically has the ability to track the target or track the tumor. It's based on some of the same science as the cruise missile. So once you have the radiation locked on to the cancer, it will follow it. It is the only radiation device where the radiation beam will actually move with the patient or move with the target, so it's always on the tumor. And that way you're not treating all of this excess normal tissue.
And that's, again, therein lies the side effects that are so minimal. We're going to talk to a patient coming up who is battling prostate cancer, and he came to see you. And something that struck me was that when he was originally diagnosed, the doctor didn't mention Phoenix Cyberknife. Why is it not more in the dialogue?
Well, it's not something that everybody's trained in. Even for radiation oncologists like myself, you know, they're not all trained with Cyberknife, so they don't even know all of the potential benefits. But then when you get outside the specialty to, like in this case, urologists, they don't have the training and they don't have the familiarity. So, you know, that's why it's important to get second opinions and talk to your physician. And if the physician doesn't know, they should be providing you options to go get that balanced consultation, that balanced discussion, so you know all of your options.
Being an advocate for yourself. And Phoenix Cyberknife, not only unique here in the Valley, but to cancer centers across the country. Why is that?
So we were the first center that put two radiosurgery treatment devices side by side. So we didn't have to send a patient anywhere else. If they came to see us, we can provide every form of radiation therapy. And we had the two different forms of radiosurgery. So if one wasn't appropriate, we could use the other, or vice versa. So it was the first center in the world that had both pieces of equipment side by side.
That's amazing. It truly is. And I can't wait for you to hear this patient's success story. Phoenix Cyberknife, you guys have trained oncologists there as well. But you also have, for these types of treatments, they're so quick. I mean, we're not talking months, we're not talking years, we're talking sometimes less than 10 treatments.
Always less than 10 treatments. It's always 5 treatments or less. So in this case, we'll be visiting with a patient whose other option was 9 weeks or 45 treatments. This was done in 5 days and 5 treatments.
What types of cancers?
Every kind, but basically from head to toe. So brain, spine, lung, breast, esophagus, pancreas, rectal,
and those side effects?
Side effects, you know, there's always potential side effects with any treatment, but in many cases, because of the precision and the accuracy, the side effects can be significantly lessened with this type of therapy.
And then very quickly, insurance are also accepted there.
So it's, you know, it's accepted as the treatment choice and preferred treatment choice in some disease sites, and it is covered by Medicare and payers for all disease sites.
All right, well, coming up, Dr. Kressel's going to join us again with his patient, and we can't wait for you to meet him. But in the meantime, if you've got questions, maybe you are suffering with cancer and you've got questions for Phoenix Cyberknife Centers, please email them at info@pcroc.com. They're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. That is in Phoenix. The number to call, 602-441-3845. You can also visit them online, phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.